In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen in Zoom meeting on laptop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to present slides, demos, or a browser tab smoothly, and how to include your computer's audio when you need it. Start by opening the Zoom app on your laptop. From the home screen, you can host your own session by selecting New Meeting, or you can join an existing one by choosing Join and entering the meeting ID. Once you're inside the meeting, look along the bottom toolbar for the green Share Screen button and click it. A sharing window will appear with several choices. Entire screen shares everything on your display. This is helpful if you plan to switch between multiple apps, but remember that notifications and your desktop will be visible, so it's a good idea to enable Do Not Disturb and close anything private. Window lets you share a single application, such as your browser, PowerPoint, or a PDF. This keeps the audience focused and prevents accidental oversharing. Tab appears when you're using a compatible browser and is perfect for showing just one browser tab, keeping things clean and distraction-free. Select the option that best fits what you plan to present. Before you click Share, look for the audio options in the lower corner of the dialog. If you'll play a video or any sound from your computer, turn on Share Sound so participants can hear it clearly. For smoother video playback and animations, also enable Optimize for video. If you're only sharing documents or slides without sound, you can leave these unchecked. Now click Share to begin. Your content will be visible to everyone, and a small control bar will appear, usually at the top of your screen. While you're sharing, you can pause the share to freeze what participants see while you prepare your next item. You can use Annotate to draw, highlight, or add quick notes directly on the screen to emphasize key points. If you need to switch what you're showing, use the controls to change windows or screens without stopping your presentation. You can also drag the control bar out of the way if it's covering important content. When you're done presenting, click the red Stop Share button on the control bar. The meeting will return to the standard view, and you can continue the discussion or wrap up. That's all you need. Open Zoom, start or join, choose exactly what to show, enable audio if needed, and use the on-screen tools to keep everything clear and professional.